Hello everyone, this is Professor DePaulo. Welcome you back to Psych 265 Fully Online. And today I'm going to be talking about how to write the methods section. And the methods section is a really brief section to write. It should take you 10 minutes to write, if not less. And it's something that you should really receive maximum points for if you format it correctly. So how are you going to write the methods sections? You're going to start with the word method, centered, in regular font, regular 12-point font. Just center it. Don't underline, don't italicize, right? And then the first subheading is going to be participants on the left, and that's going to be in italics. And the line below participants, you're going to start by talking about the total number of participants, the numbers of male, females, non-binary participants, and where they were recruited from. So in the current study, we had some problems with people taking the survey. So there were only 12 participants, and I kind of tried to let it run a little bit longer to see if we can get more participants with the survey, but we didn't. So we ended up with 12 participants in the two classes, which is really, really low. The lowest I can ever remember it in a class like this. So there were 12 total participants. Number of males, females, there were 0 males, 12 females, 0 non-binary. So 12 females, 0 males, 0 non-binary. And they were recruited from a research and psychology class at the Borough of Manhattan Community College. So once again, 12 participants, 0 male, 12 female, 0 non-binary, and they were recruited from the Borough of Manhattan Community College Research and Psychology class, Psych 265. The age range you could also put in there was between 20 and 56. So the age range was 20 to 56. Very small sample. It's going to be very difficult to do much with that really tiny sample. And honestly, I don't know why there's such a small sample considering there are 30 people registered for the two sections and only 12 participated. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but only 12 participants this semester. In the materials, you want to give 1 or 2 sentences describing what was used. It was an online survey, and you want to talk about the variables that were measured, right? So some of an online survey measuring things like health, anxiety, attachment style, anxiety, depression, and health-related behaviors. And also you want to mention empathy, because empathy is a big part of our hypothesis, the hypotheses that we're testing. So things we're looking at: empathy, attachment style, anxiety, health anxiety, depression, and the health-related behaviors related to the pandemic, such as vaccination, such as mask wearing. So you want to describe the online survey, that what it measured, the variables that it measured. So that's 1 or 2 sentences there. And then the procedure, you just want to say an online survey was completed that took approximately 20 or 30 minutes. You're really going to have 1 sentence there because there was not much for the procedure other than completing the survey, right? So once again, participants, 12 participants, 0 male, 12 female, 0 non-binary, age range 20 to 56, and they were recruited from a research and psychology class, Psych 265, from Borough of Manhattan Community College. The materials are an online survey that measured and then list all the variables that I basically told you. List all those variables we were studying. And then the procedure is just that the online survey was completed. That took approximately 20 or 30 minutes to complete. Or an online survey that took approximately 30 minutes to complete. And that's it. Really nothing to it. Now, if the research is much more complex than doing a survey, you're going to have a lot more for the procedure. If you're doing a standard experiment, you're going to have to describe exactly what you're doing in the experiment. But with just an online survey, there's not much to describe, really, other than what the survey entails and how long it took and who was recruited and from where. So this should take you about 5 or 10 minutes to put together. Save it as a PDF. I will place the link for you to upload on Blackboard on the assignments page. Once again, where I had you upload the introduction. So back to the assignments page where you can upload the method. And if you have any questions, let me know. But as long as you format it the way I'm asking you to format it, this should not be a problem. So hopefully the video just clears things up a bit. And like I said, reach out to me if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you for the next part, which is going to be the results in the discussion, a much longer section that I'll describe in greater detail, probably starting next week or the week after that. So bye for now. See you soon.